Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing TV Woman from Skibidi Toilet. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to first start off by zooming in on the head. Let's start by drawing a sideways rectangle. And now inside, let's draw another rectangle for the border. Now inside, on the left, let's draw another large rectangle. Now inside this one, let's draw a diagonal line on each of the corners. And then one more rectangle inside. Now let's hop over on the right side and let's draw two small circles at the top here. And now underneath, let's draw a long vertical rectangle. And then inside this one, let's add two circles. And then add two diagonal lines inside each of these circles. And lastly, for the head, let's draw the antenna with two diagonal lines coming up from the top. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a diagonal line down and up towards the right side. Then let's draw another bent line coming down to form two triangles. Now let's hop to the side and let's draw curves down on both sides for the shoulders. Now from the shoulder lines, let's curve it down on both sides like this. Then let's curve it out slightly and angle it in. Now at the bottom, let's add the belt. Let's start with a curve across, then down on both sides, and then another curve underneath. Now let's draw curves down on both sides, and then a curve across the bottom for the bottom of our jacket. Next, let's move inside and let's add the details. From the bottom of the collar, let's draw two diagonal lines down. Then continue it underneath below the belt. Now from the shoulders, let's draw another curve down on both sides. And then continue it below the belt on the left. Now let's move in and add the details to the belt. Let's start with two lines down on the left side, and then a rectangle inside. Now in the left section, let's draw two small circles, and then one circle on the right. And lastly, let's hop down to the bottom section and let's draw a rectangle shape on each of the hips for the pockets. And that's it for the jacket details. Now let's add the arms. Let's start at the shoulders and let's draw diagonal lines down. Then another set of diagonals from the inside. And then let's angle both of these lines back in like this. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and draw the crisscross pattern. Let's start in the middle panel section and let's draw diagonal curved lines all the way down. And now let's do the same thing going the opposite way, creating a grid pattern. And then let's do the same thing in the top right section. And lastly, let's add the same pattern on the arms. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the center and let's draw 2 diagonal lines down and out. And then another diagonal line on the outside. Now from the bottom, let's draw a bent line down on both sides. And then let's add a curve across. Now at the bottom, let's add the boots. From the inside, let's draw lines down on both sides. Then a shorter line from the outside. Then for the outside line, let's curve it out and then down. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for TV Woman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!